Welcome to this video. In this video, we are gonna self-host n8n with public domain for completely free. Before diving into this video, I am assuming that you have downloaded Docker Desktop in your system. If you haven't, so go to the Docker website and download it. Now let's dive into this video. In the Docker Desktop, in the sidebar, click Images. In the search bar, type n8n. Make sure n8n is the latest one. Now pull it. It will take a short time and then something like this will appear on your screen. Now go to the Google, search Ngrok, click on it, create an account here, sign in with your Gmail account, get started for free. After creating account on Ngrok, it will appear something like this. Now come back to the Docker. Click the run button that is appearing before the three dots. Now wait here, we have to configure settings here. Give it a name. I will name it as n8n. In the host port, we will type Tetra 5. Now in the volume section, we see host path and container path. Host path is actually where our n8n data will be stored in the system. So for that, we will create a folder and name it as n8n. Select this folder. Now in the container path, type /home /node /n8n. Actually, this is where n8n stores data in the Docker. Here we will be setting some environment variables. The first variable will be n8n-community-packages-allow-tool-usage. Keep in mind all the letters should be capital. Its value is true, so actually we know that n8n community is very large and many different people builds nodes there. This variable is going to allow us to download various nodes in our n8n. The second variable is n8n editor base URL. Now return to the Ngrok tab. In the deploy section, select static domain. Now copy the link and paste this into the Docker variable value. Actually, this will be the URL of our n8n website. You have to keep one thing in your mind, and that is don't forget to add HTTPS before this link. The third variable is going to be webhook URL. Its value will be the same as above URL. The last variable will be n8n default binary data mode. This variable is basically going to reduce the pressure on the RAM of our system by storing large files temporarily. Its value is file system. Now run it. Docker will start running and our n8n is going to be set up soon. Now you have to return back to the Ngrok website. In the download section, click download for Windows. After that, extract it, and when it is extracted, click the extracted file. Something like this will appear in the screen. This is very important step. We have to write authentication token from the Ngrok website. For that, copy this link and paste it here. Now put the link of your website here and replace the 80 at the end of this link with Tetra 5 and press enter. It will generate public link for your n8n website. Simply copy it and paste it in Google. And boom, your n8n is ready. I am pretty much sure if you have followed each step till here, your n8n will be working smoothly with a public domain. If this video helped you, hit the subscribe button and do comment if this method worked for you. Stay tuned for more helping videos. If you get stuck at any point, do comment. I will try my best to help you out.